So next thing we're installing is actually this little box right here. Look at that. Whoa! Oh my God, that is a... Let me take them glasses off. Oh my God, that's a work of art. That's almost nicer than a pair of succulently, perfectly rounded boobies.
This was another highly requested modifications that you guys wanted. Some new aftermarket headlights. And the company Archaic was nice enough to send some to install to the car. So if you end up liking them, I'll leave a link in the description for you to get your own.
This is a simple case of you, a 5'7", half Filipino, dead trim having, not all cylinders working in your head, slight bit of autism, slight bit of ADHD, versus 6'2", jacked karate kid, mate. Holy shit, this is beautiful. Oh my God, this is a work of art of a headlight.
Now, luckily for me, this was such a simple process. I didn't even need to take off the bumper, which is very, very rare when removing headlights. So whatever German engineer made it so easy for me, I salute you, my guy.
Yes. Bang. Right, so, hold on. Passing mum. These look wicked, man. Bombarras. Bombarras! They go in like a weird angle, and then they, I think, fall down. And luckily, this hasn't been a bumper off job, because do I look like I can be fucking bothered to take the bumper off? Well, does it? No. Come on. There you go. And we're in. Now I have to say, these lights are absolutely fappable, fap-worthy.
A long, hard,
An intense session, mate. Now it doesn't look completely different to the stock headlights when you're far away, but again, it's the internals. Literally right here, we've got a shooting star dynamic indicator built in to the bloody headlight. So look, it wraps round and it goes into our sweeping dynamic indicators on the mirrors. Buff. Look at that. Oh mate, that's creaming. But not only that, it actually has an amber DRL right there that stays on while driving. You can actually switch it to white just by simply unplugging a connector, but literally you've got DRLs. Oh Jesus, sorry. A demon's trying to fight its way out of my body. It just simply looks absolutely mega. So happy with it. But massive thank you to the company who sent that.